What's up? Welcome back to Norman's Lawn Maintenance. Here I have for you guys today a sick video, okay? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Craftsman m250 160cc 20-inch forward drive soft propelled push lawn mower, okay? It's super awesome, okay? I've had this thing for about 3 weeks and it's been super awesome having it. I've had awesome experiences with it. Alright, I got it originally for mowing lawns for business to make money, you know, this summer. And I mowed a couple lawns a few times and it's holding up super awesome. Okay, so here we got this side discharge chute. Right, it comes with a plastic piece attached to that, and you can put it on and side discharge the grass clippings. And in the back we have a bagging system over here. I don't use it just because it's more convenient for me to mulch it. And it's actually super nice that they give you those three options to side discharge it, bag it, or mulch it. And yeah, it's just super sick. Here in the back we have height adjustment lever, and here in the front we also have that. Here's the oil, where you put in the oil. Gas tank, this big fat lid. I have some gas in there, as you can see. So it's super nice that, look, it doesn't fall off. It has this plastic piece attaching it, so you don't lose the lid. Here in the front we got the forward drive, the self-propelled system, front wheel drive. Here's the air filter, super easy, just replace it, just take it out when it's nasty and old, and just replace it with a new one, and super easy to get in and out, and just close it back up when you're done. Over here, it's also very nice that they give you this, okay? This is where you attach basically the hose to it, and then you turn on the water and let the mower run. It basically cleans out the deck so it doesn't get all gunky and gooky down there, you know? After every mow, you gotta like kind of clean it out. Here, we have the gas line, okay? Shows up over here, right? It shows over here which way is gas on and gas off. So right now the gas is on, right? And now the gas is off. It shows up here. Gas off, gas on, gas off, gas on, okay? I recommend closing the gas after every mow, just because it can get clogged up, and you don't want that because it's just not a good chill, you know? I'm just gonna keep it on because I'm gonna show you guys a startup either way. This mower has a Honda engine, which is super awesome. I had a choice between getting this mower and a different mower, and I chose this one because it has the Honda engine, and Honda is known to have sick engines. I mean, we all know that, you know. So I got this one because the Honda engine, it's been super awesome, and I just love it, you know. Over here, we got the pull start, you know, pull start system. It's locked right now because you gotta hold down this and pull it with the other hand, right? Self-propelled system over here, and over here, this is actually very nice for compact storage. You just pop these two over like that, and you can just fold the handlebars down, just like that. And to make it even more compact, what you can do is you can lift the mower up, just like that, and it just stays. See that? Super easy, compact storage. Here's the deck. Self-propelled system in the front over here. Here's the bottom of the deck from about 3 weeks of use, and it's doing nice, you know. It's just been super awesome having this, and I hope to be able to continue having this for the next couple of years to continue my business and maybe even bring it up a notch and get a 0-turn mower, right? Now I'm gonna do a startup for you guys in just a second after I get this open like this. Gotta pop this back in, just like that. That's one, and that's two. All right, now I will get you guys a startup in just 1 second. Okay. Guaranteed first start. That's my bet. All right. Alright, so I told you guys first pull, I mean it's super sick. Okay, now in the back over here we got some tall grass, so I'm going to demonstrate mowing for you guys. Alright, just some quick mowing just so you guys can see the cut quality of this, you know. Right now it's on the highest setting. I'm gonna lower it to second highest. All right. Now we are going to start this baby up. Guys, that was one strip, as you can see over here. One strip cuts pretty nicely. Alright, this grass back here isn't the best, but if you guys can tell, that's some pretty dang good cutting. Alright, either way guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Norman's Lawn Care.